Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you the 7 deadly sins origin game error, that is a launch error. Please close interception before starting the game. So if you're getting this error in the 7 deadly sins origin game, then here follow the steps to solve this problem. Now first of all, go to the GitHub webpage and download the latest release of interception.zip file. So go to this GitHub website. I will provide this link in my video description. And once you're on this GitHub website, scroll down and here you will see interception.zip. Click on it to download it. And once it is downloaded, open it and then extract the file. So right click on it and then click on extract all. Click on extract. This will again open the another folder. So open this interception folder, then open this command line installer folder and just leave it. Now in the search bar type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. So click on run as administrator. Click yes to allow. Now here you have to type the code, the zip file that you have extracted. Open the interception folder, command line installer folder, and here you will find this code. Just copy the path, that is C drive users. This is my username, that is a tech world, but you will find different username for your PC. And then downloads interception command line installer. So copy this code and then in the command prompt first type cd, then give a space and then paste the path that you have just copied from here and then hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. So type dir and then hit enter and then copy paste this code. So copy this code. I will provide this code in my video description. You can just copy it and then paste it over here and then hit enter. And then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. It is a must. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. And I hope this launch error, please close interception before starting the game, will get solved and you will no longer receive this error. So I hope by following these steps you can easily solve the 7 deadly sins origin launch error. Please close interception before starting the game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.